Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. As you saw, the prediction that we made that within 2 days Bitcoin is going to make something huge, it is on play. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Right now, let's see what are we going to do with Bitcoin chart because we had a bearish pennant, right? You can see the bearish pennant formation coming in. We couldn't manage to close above. Of course, we had the fake out going on right here. And we talked about, I think the update was on Sunday, that within 2 days we are going to see a huge price action coming to the downside. And here it is. Back on 6 September, yesterday, we saw the Bitcoin crashing down, going minus 5% in just 4 hours. Insane amount of correction. What is next for BTC? What can we hope for it, and what are the next support levels? Because eventually we do not look so much like we are going to go upwards. Instead, in the lower time frames, for example, we are looking like we want to go further down. Anyway, I'm going to tell you the exact support levels for Bitcoin chart and of course what to expect in the crypto market here on Mind Your Crypto, the channel that it is realistic and we are making realistic price predictions and technical analysis so you do not lose your money, instead you gain more. Let's see right here the support level of the 19k. We lost it, right? We lost the support level of the 19k in the daily frame. This is not so good. What I'm saying and what I'm talking about, it is that 19k should be our huge support level. We lost it in the daily frame, we lost it in the 4-hour frame. If we lose it on the weekly frame as well, this will be disastrous. And what I'm saying right now, it is that we can manage to go even further down than the 17.7k. Now, what is the case right here for BTC? And of course, I'm going a little bit to Ethereum against Bitcoin chart to just go very quickly into and dive into it. Now we need to close above the 0.108. If we do not close above the 0.108 in the weekly scale, then Ethereum against Bitcoin chart is going to go further down. Altcoins are going to follow. We are going to have huge rejection coming into the market, and you can see that BTC right here can even drop further down. Now, what is next and what we need? First of all, 19k, closing above the 19k in the weekly frame. It is very good. It should mean that we are going to go all the way up to the 20.2k again and 21k, maybe going even higher. So I want you to pay attention into this target. The 19k, such a crucial line. You do not know how much of a crucial line that is, right? And so if we do not hold it though, what is going to happen next will just blow your minds. Right now we will be going to the 16.2k. maybe this should be a little bit further down to the 15.8k. all right, so into this moment right here we are going to find a huge buying pressure. What I'm thinking about BTC, if we close below that is the 19k in the weekly frame, it is going to go further down all the way to this area where we will be having a huge bear trap. What I'm talking about is that if we approach these lines right there, we are going to have a huge bear trap, having a huge buying pressure, and maybe forming even a bullish RSI divergence in the weekly scale. And this is where the real market will start and the real price action, huge price action coming in for BTC. Until then though, we need to be very careful because the market right now does not look like it wants to go all the way up higher. Instead, it finds quite a nice rejection, right? You can see that even on the 4-hour frame, we are having such a huge oversold situation, but we are not capable for now to have a nice buying pressure. I feel like we are in a deep correction mode right now, and maybe we go even further down into the next few hours, approaching the 18.220 and so on. Okay, we are going to see that, but the next support levels are going to be lows 18 for the next few hours. So you have to be careful in what you long, right? Because you might get trapped into a long position right there and you won't be able to get any profits. Instead, you will be having huge losses. Many people bought around here. I do not know why, but anyway, we had some nice buying pressure going on. I feel like BTC is not ready yet to have a huge buying pressure coming in, a huge volume. At the end of the day though, I want you to actually be careful of the 19k, because right there, weekly close, if we close below, then things are going to get very difficult for us. And of course, you know that we need a glimpse of hope, at least something to go good. Eventually, we did not see that, but we knew that, and we informed you that this was a bearish pennant formation coming in after a downtrend, bear flag, bearish pennant formation. This was all of this analysis for crypto, and the Bitcoin was for educational purposes, right? You could learn so much. Bear flag, bearish pennant, see how bearish pennants and bear flags are like in a nice chart right here, getting rejected from the 200 moving average, and many things. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, patreon.com/mindyourcrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.